Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to swap out my soft tonneau cover to a hard top. Alright guys, so I wanted to swap out my soft tonneau cover for a hard tonneau cover, and I've purchased a lot of products from YITAMOTOR. They're an Amazon company, and I've actually liked a lot of the products in the past. I decided to go with the YITAMOTOR hard bed cover to try out. So let's go ahead and get inside the box. Alright guys, so I went ahead and popped the top off, and as you guys can see, packaging is real nice. They did a good job with the bubble wrap, the straps, and then filling in the voids with the styrofoam and extra cardboard. So A+ on the shipping. So I went ahead and took the cover out of the box, unfolding it. That's what it's going to look like. You're also going to get some weather stripping, and then you'll get the instruction manual. This is going to be a real easy install. Everything's just bolt-in, no major drilling or anything like that. Alright guys, before we install this, just want to go over some of the key features. This hardcover, you guys can see it is a bolt on here, so you're going to get these quick release latches, which are nice. You can see there's weather stripping all along the bottom of each panel. You're going to get some LED lights pre-installed in this, and there's one on each side. This is the back cover here, so they each have a red button there. Here's some padding, and the padding's because this is going to fold up into 3 positions here. So there's it all folded up, and then it does have some plastic locking tabs there to lock it into place when it is folded up on your truck. And when it's folded up, that's why these pads are here, so it rests onto this other panel and doesn't scratch it. It does come with some spare parts here. Alright, as far as the extra parts go, you're going to get one of these extra kind of tie down, or the clamp here that's on the side. They give you an extra one of these, so that's kind of cool. You get your pads, you got your lights, and then like I said, all the way around you got your weather stripping just to protect the top side of your bed. They give you some extra weather stripping here in this bag, and then these pieces in the middle are covered. This is all aluminum, so it's pretty lightweight, not too bad. It's got the texture design on there, which is nice. Still sturdy enough to be able to place stuff on top if you wanted to. Nothing too heavy, but if you want to put a toolbox up there or something like that, it'll be fine. So let's go ahead. It should be pretty easy to install. All this is adjustable, and then it just clamps down. So pretty easy. I was able to get it up here by myself. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and fold it out. Make sure that it's going to fit your truck properly as far as length goes. You can close your tailgate. So once you got the cover centered up from side to side and from front to back, then you go ahead and fold it back up. So go ahead and fold it up here. You guys can see one more time. And I'm doing this all with one arm, so it's not heavy. Get it all folded up. Then you can climb inside the truck and then bolt it down. So these are the safety straps, and all they do is they clip to your bedside, so the side of your bed here, and then you tighten them down. Just some extra security. So to lock these down, these loosen or tighten depending on which way you're turning it, and then this lip right here needs to go underneath your metal bed rail, not underneath your plastic like rail covers, but you want it under the metal lip to make sure it's nice and secure. So you're going to adjust this to be able to clamp up under there. So you want this at the right height so that when you push it in there, it locks it down and into place. Then when you want to loosen it, it's going to pop it like that, and that's going to release it from the bedside. So I'm actually going to tighten this up a little bit and then put it back in here. And then you're going to do both sides like that. These clamps are kind of cool because they can tuck up inside the bed there when you're not using them. You just pull them out when you need to use them. But go ahead and adjust this side here. Real easy to do. Just want to make sure everything is kind of straight when you do it. And then if it doesn't feel tight enough, go ahead and tighten it up a little bit more. Just want to make sure you get a nice, secure fit there. You don't want it to be moving around on you. So there's the first panel locked into place. Now it doesn't look like this second panel has any locking mechanism. So we're gonna go ahead and fold this over like so. So it looks like it's just the front panel, that first panel, and then this back panel have the locking knobs on them. Pull this tape off here. So we'll go ahead and flip this one to close it all the way. There's a top view. I still got the plastic on all the center aluminum braces there, but same thing with this. You're gonna drop these down. I got these already measured up. Make sure it's straight, and then you lock it down. Do that on this side too. Real easy to do. So make sure it's got the right tension and it's lined up properly. You want to make sure it's under that metal, not this plastic here, so it's not going to be good. As you guys can see, the weather stripping on there, so no water is going to get in the bed. Looks real nice. Go ahead and close this bed up. And then with that extra weather stripping they give you, you can just line it here on the tailgate. But I mean, I think it's fine because it's got a rubber seal there and it meets up pretty close there. So go ahead and turn the lights on. See what that looks like. So you can't really tell with the light on. It's still too bright out, but maybe I'll check it out when it gets a little bit darker. I'm assuming they got like AA batteries in there that are replaceable. But that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, this install is going to take you probably 10 minutes at the most. Just want to make sure that this is centered up, and then when you lock down those locking arms, you want to make sure there's enough tension on them, not too much to where you break this, because this is plastic. This handle right here is plastic, and that's probably why they give you an extra one, and so is this clip. So you want to be smart when you're locking these down. You want them tight enough to where this isn't going to, you're not going to lose this, but you want it not so tight that you end up stripping these or breaking the plastic. But nice and durable top there. You can place stuff on top. And you can go ahead and take a look at these hinges. This is going to be the hinge point here This is plastic too, but underneath that is metal. So these are the 2 pivot points on each side. Go ahead and peel this off. That's what it's going to look like, guys. The cool thing about having the hardtop too is the security. If you got stuff that's valuable in the bed of your truck, this is going to protect it a lot more than a soft cover. People aren't going to be able to take a knife to the top of this and be able to tear through it like they would just a regular tonneau cover. And like I said earlier, the other cool thing about this being a hardtop is you can stick some stuff on top of here. Like say a cooler or something like that. Use it actually as a working space even if you wanted to. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and check out these lights. So we got one right there. And right there. So actually, it does a real good job lighting up the bed. This back part of the bed of the truck. Compared to what it looked like without any lights. Because I have no lights in the back of my truck. So this actually helped out a lot. And then, turn them off. Just with the push of a button. Good fit, like it a lot. Add security to the bed. Real easy to fold up, unfold, lock into place. So thumbs up for this one. If you guys are interested in this one is on my 2021 Dodge Ram, but they got them for all different types of makes and models. So you go ahead and check them out. I'll leave some links in the description box. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will talk to you later.